Welcome to the Yale Keyfree Connected installation video. Your door should have already been supplied with a compatible multi-point lock installed and all fixing holes drilled. Fit the cylinder into the door with the tail bar facing the interior of the house and secure it with the screw. Take the outside handle and position it so it is in the correct orientation for the door. Once this is done, secure it in place with the fixing screw that is stuck to the back of the handle. You should now no longer be able to turn the outside handle all the way around. Take the inside handle and remove the outer cover. If the spindle is not already fitted, take it and insert the circular end to the inside handle and hold it in place with a circlip that is provided. Take the outside handle again, push the cable through the top fixing hole, then fit the rest of the handle onto the door and hold it in place. Before putting the inside handle in place, make sure the arrow on the spindle is facing horizontally. Pull the cable through the cutout at the top of the inside handle and plug it into the connector. The two short, thick screws should be screwed into the top and bottom holes. While putting the top screw in, make sure as much of the cable as possible is hidden in the door. Before doing the top and bottom screw up tightly, make sure the outside handle is straight on the door. The thick and medium screws should go into the hole in the battery cover and the thin and long screw should go into the hole in the black motor. On the internal cover, push the handle round to the correct orientation. As you put the cover on, make sure that the spring lines up with the hole in the cover. Secure the cover with the thin, longest screw at the top and the small screw at the bottom, and cover the bottom screw with the rubber bung. Test the inside handle to make sure that it operates the multi-point lock correctly. Next, take the radio module. As you insert it into the connector at the top of the lock, make sure that the pins in the radio line up with the connector at the top of the inside handle. Depending on the configuration of the lock purchased, these radio modules can be different colours. Insert the batteries and you should hear the lock power up. The lock may need to be electronically handed. To test this, lift the inside handle. The light below the handle should turn red. If the light turns green, it is handed the wrong way. To change the handing of the lock, press any button on the external keypad to wake it up. Enter the master code. If you are setting up the lock for the first time, this will be 123456. Tap the hash button. You should hear a two-tone beep. On the inside handle, press the P button above the batteries. Follow the lock's instructions and lift up, then push down the handle. Once this is done, push the I button above the batteries. Finally, slide the black cover onto the inside handle. The lock installation is now complete.